वेलकम टू माय चैनल खाने की कहानी। खाने की कहानी, दिस इज माय चैनल। दिस इज माय चैनल नेम इज खाने की कहानी। सो टुडे आई विल मेक मशरूम मखानी, और यू कैन से मशरूम बटर मसाला, और मशरूम मक्खन वाला, यू कैन से मशरूम मक्खन वाला also. So different types of main ingredients I just explain you. The main ingredients is the sliced onion. Just take it, slice onion, just two-piece onions you will take, and just slice it, and roughly cut off the slice, any type of cut which is suitable for you. In slice cuts of tomato, and this mushroom I already cut it and boil with, add little bit turmeric powder and salt, and after that I stain it. So it's one type of cooked mushroom. You just see it. And green coriander, the fresh green coriander I will take, and this is the khade masala. Some khade masala I will take here. Just see it. Okay, big cardamom, small cardamom, cinnamon stick, and peppercorn, and cumin, whole red chili, and bay leaf. That's it. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. This is all. It's the flavoring agent. To enhance the flavor, I will take it. Okay, this is the main thing. And little bit, 2 tablespoon I have taken here curd to rich is to enhance its richness of the gravy. And last finishing, I will spread kasuri methi. Okay, it's develop its flavor or flavor. So let's start this preparation. Just you will see, and then we will show you one by one, step by step. Just have a look कैसे बनाया जाता है मशरूम मखानी. I just take a kadai, and then I just add oil here. Okay, you can take desi ghee, otherwise refined oil, you can take it. And after that, two spices I have, green chili and red chili and khade masala. Okay, so I will use here. So just I have broken it, and when it is hot, then first I will use here when it will start crackling, then use khade masala, or khade masala and bay leaf also, you will take it. And cook some time. After that you will add onion this way. Sliced onion, just add here. little bit salt you will add, then onion will easily cooked, and little red chili powder, then you will get color also. It is very easy cooking, easily you can make at your home. Easily just slice onion you will add here, and when it is soft then you will add ginger and garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste you will add. Ginger and garlic paste. Now I will add ginger and garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste. Ginger and garlic paste. 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste you will add. You will add 2 teaspoon ginger and garlic. Yes, ginger garlic paste, and then add tomato. Just add tomatoes. You cook some time. Cook some time. Then little bit water you can add here. Okay, little bit water just pour here. When tomato will soft and other ingredients the soft consistency, then I will make a smooth puree. I will make a smooth puree. Now you can use lid and slow flame, just cooked some time. In slow flame you cook some time. Now you can see it color. Nice color. Tomato already soft, and onion and tomato already mix it, and ginger garlic paste, and you will get the good aroma. And then you will get You will mix all the spices, that means Indian spices, little bit turmeric powder, this one is jeera powder, that means cumin powder, this one coriander powder you just use little more coriander powder, little bit salt पहले भी दे रखा हूँ, okay, little bit salt you have to use here. Garam masala we will use in last time, okay, when, and then I will make a smooth puree. I will make a smooth puree. I add little bit garam masala also, garam masala, okay, little bit garam masala, and last finishing I will add little more garam masala, okay. Now I will make a smooth paste with the help of mixer grinder, okay, in mixie. Now I will pour here the paste with the help of this strainer. Then your gravy will be make the smooth gravy, okay. This way, just stain all the gravies, then you will get the smooth gravy. Actually I already use the whole khade masala. If you not stain it, then you will get the some flavor in your teeth in khade masala. So constantly you have to use little bit, if need little bit butter, okay, and then you will get the velvety color, velvet as like as velvet, smooth consistency of your gravy, okay, smooth consistency of your gravy, smooth. Actually some particles, it is just get it. Now I start my cooking. Flame actually मैं बंद कर दिया था, okay, so fan on कर दिया. Just look the gravy, nice color gravy, smooth, just have a look, okay. Then you can add little bit sugar, if it's compulsory nahi hai. If you want, then you can use little bit sugar. Constantly just, and then main ingredients mushroom, which I already boil it, and with the help of turmeric powder and little bit salt, पानी में इसको उबाल के रखा हूँ, okay. Now I mix with this gravy. And another side, I will roast kasuri methi. Roast kasuri methi. Okay, another side, I want to roast kasuri methi. I have taken this hot seat or tawa, you can say. Okay, tawa में थोड़ा सा रोस्ट कर लेना कसूरी मेथी. This one. This is enough. Just roast it with the help of ladle. Then you will get more flavor in this leaf. More flavor. And also you have to add bay leaf and a फ्लेवर आ गया इसका. जस्ट हैव ए लुक. दिस इज कसूरी मेथी. इसमें रख देते हैं और फ्लेवर आ जाएगा इसमें. Then I will add little bit desi ghee. Otherwise you can use butter also. You can use. कसूरी मेथी थोड़ा सा और रब करना है एंड देन शी विल मिक्स इट. वाह, इसका फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छा है. अच्छा फ्लेवर लग रहा है इसका. दैट्स इट. बस इट्स कंप्लीट. Now you can use also butter, cream, anything else you can use. Okay, gravy is ready. Now gravy is ready. Gravy is ready. Now I am serving here. Okay, so mushroom makhana, little bit coriander leaf, so you can spread here, and little bit cream also you can pour. That's it. This is mushroom makhana or makhni gravy. It's prepared with makhni gravy, so have to try, and then comment box में comment जरूर करना इसको, how is feel. Okay, so this is the preparation of makhni gravy, and it is very easy. You can make it, easy preparation. Okay, it is very easy preparation, you can make it. Thank you very much. Thank for this watching my video. प्लीज़ तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना इसको, एंड लाइक कर देना इफ़ यू लाइक इट. थैंक यू.